Welcome back to the Hawaii Surf Session Report. I'm your host, Tommy Stokes, and we're back on the North Shore for part 2 of the one beautiful day in late September here on the North Shore. Checking out several breaks, starting off with Laniakea, shot by myself and my buddy, Hodgson Hawaii, Mr. P. Hodgson. And also we have some footage from Sunset, shot by yours truly. And then we have some shot by your other truly dude, Mr. Hodgson himself. He also went off to V-Land, so this is the second episode that you've ever seen V-Land in. And after we mix all these up, we're also going to throw in our favorite little bird, the ulili. That's right, if you've been watching the last episode, you learned all sorts of neat, interesting little pop-up video kind of facts. Currently, we're hoping to see this bird eat that fish. Now, this is a cool episode. We have a couple CDs to give away and some shirts too. And we're going to go to the first correct answers of this question. What was the last episode featuring Linda's Stepdaughter? That's the name of the band that's playing the music behind us right now. If you know the answer, email me at tommystokes@yahoo.com. Now, we're going to switch off the low tempo music and pop it in overdrive here with Linda's Stepdaughter for another song, and we're going to have another one after that too. Here we go.
The ghetto's ugly little kids, bitches on the roof and watch us look. Sitting in the back room, brother, making last 3 fathers on a walk off on LSD kicks. Now you in my country. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. People on the TV, they're telling me I'm dead. Woman, she's currently ready for the kill. Man, Vietnam mean nothing to the kids when all the people die. Copyism lives in your mind. Country. Leave it alone. You call it law, rap prostitution, big as on the law. Have another cigarette fine, and when I stand and put what's in your know your wish is my command. When you're in my country, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Before we take off, I want to thank all the viewers of the show for sticking with it and not canceling your subscription because there were no surf sessions this summer. Some of you viewers, about 5 of you, actually sent in a donation over the summer. And one of those people was Martin from Linda's Stepdaughter. And I gotta say, mahalo, Martin. Now, I'm going to give away 5 of his CDs to anyone who can answer this question. What was the last episode featuring Linda's Stepdaughter? If you know the answer, email me at tommystokes@yahoo.com. First 5 win. Big mahalos to Linda's Stepdaughter for providing today's music. Please support the bands that support this show. Our HSSR wave of the day goes to this surfer. I think it's Mason, or it could be Marcus over at VLAN. This is shot by P. Hodgson. Check out this guy getting deep in the tube. That's my little boy laughing because he knows it's funny. And if you're not laughing, you shouldn't watch the show. This show is brought to you in part by Kona Brewing and Sky Vodka, which sponsors Tiki's Grill and Bar Tiki Taco Tuesday. Please make a donation to support the show that supports your stoke. It's easy to do. Stop by surfsessionreport.com and make a donation to the greatest surf show not on TV. It's the Hawaii Surf Session Report. I'm your host, Tommy Stokes, saying aloha. All right.